Alrighty, so in today's video I want to show you how to replace the deck belt on a Toro Timecutter SS4260 from 2012. This is a 42-inch model with a 21.5 horse Kawasaki engine. And we're going to change the deck belt on it, so let's go find the deck belt and get with it. It's fairly straightforward. Alrighty, so here's the parts list for all the parts for this Toro. There's the two different types of blades you could use, and then there's the deck belt, which is a Toro part number 1198819, and it's a 1/2 by 113 and 7/64 inches long. This is the closest to that size that I have, is a 1/2 by 114, so we're going to try this one out because I'm in the process of troubleshooting that deck to see what's causing it to vibrate. So we're going to put this belt on it, or I'm going to put this belt on it and see how it fits. Now I'm sure I will get a lot of questions about why I'm not using the correct size belt. Yes, it's always good to go back with the OEM specified belt size, which this belt's also available aftermarket, but in my case, this is all I have is a 1/2 by 114, which should work out fine because this thing has a very heavy and tight tensioner spring on it. So we're going to dive right into removing the old belt. So I already took these spindle guards off, and they use these little 5/16 inch bolts, which I'm not a fan of, but there's that big tensioner spring, so a 114 should work just fine. And what I'm going to do is try not to wreck my fingers in the process and walk this belt off of the pulley. So I'm going to have to set my camera up somehow so y'all can see this. Let's see here what I can do. Alright, so I got my camera somewhat set up to where you guys can see what I'm doing here. So we're going to walk this belt off, and there it went off. And it didn't go fine, but there's the belt diagram. You want to check your spindles. This one's tight. Next step is to get it off the electric clutch. This is a tight fit, but it was that easy. When we come over here to the discharge side, there's no belt guides on here, which is a good thing because it's very easy. So you slip it off of this pulley here, and then you slip it off of this pulley, and the belt will come right out. As you see, this belt's got a flat spot in it, and it's got a tear in it, and it needs to be replaced. So we're going to put that 114 on there and see how it fits. So with every belt you get, they usually come wrapped up like this. And you have to take the cover off, and then you have to, I usually just step on it and pull the knots out of it. See here, it's all knotted up. But there it goes. Just got to sling it around sometimes and make sure it's not twisted. You want the V side and the V side, and the flat side on the flat side. Alright, so now we're going to snake it through here. I'm going to get up front here, and it's going to go right in between them two idlers. Alright. Now I'm going to go back here and put it through these two idlers, just like that. And then check the idlers. That one there does need replacing, as you can hear it and see the bearings are shot, but that's not the cause of what I'm trying to figure out. It's not, this thing's either got bent blades or a bad deck belt. And the only two things will cause it to vibrate, or bad spindle bearing. But I don't see how this, oh wait, it does have bad spindle bearing. That would make it vibrate. But anyways, I have to change spindle bearings then, or spindle. But that's not part of this video, and I know I ramble in these videos, but oh well. So now we're going to get down on the ground. Ouch. and put it over the top of this back cradle. To just grab it and walk it on the clutch like that. We're going to come over here and grab it, bend it around that pulley, and loop it around this pulley. So I took it off on that side, so I'm going to have to walk it on this side. As you see, that spring does not sound friendly. So I'm going to prop the camera up again and show you all how I do this. Alright, can y'all see the pulley? Yep. Now, this is bad pulley, but I gotta do trial and error. It does have bad bearing in it. Alright, so now we'll walk this sucker on, or try to. Be extremely careful when you do this. See there how I'm walking it on? Can y'all see that? Yeah, you can all see that. I'm walking it on. See there how it's slipping around there? And that belt's on there, so a 1/2 by 114 is very tight on there. See there? That's how you change the deck belt on a Toro Timecutter. Hope this video helped. You might see more videos on this thing if I change that spindle bearing or spindle assembly and that back idler. So I'm going to start it up, see if it still shimmy and shakes, and if it does, I'm going to put new blades and new bearings on it. So without further ado, I will see you all in the next video.